Okay, I said there'd be a third video, and there is. We're going to get the torque converter on the go-kart today, and we're going to drive it. All right, so we're going to put the torque converter on the go-kart today, and we have Mr. Brandon here. As you can no, do it. Like, hit it. Come on, just hit it. Just hit it. Just, yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna make that go wild, okay? Just remember that. Anyway, we're going to, like I said, put the torque converter on the go-kart, and then Brandon's gonna help out. As you notice, we're practicing our good social distancing and mask wearing and everything like that. So let's get started. Hey, no. No.
The mechanic uses the process of trial and error.
No kidding. I've done this before. I wonder. Oh yeah, we should probably check the front seat. Oh yeah. So that's the key we need. And this is the wrench we used. Okay. That. The first step in any of this is really just pretending you know what you're doing, and then you go from there. Fake it till you make it, kids. All right, let's see if this thing mounts. Okay, gonna mount it right here. These should be the right ones. I hope these are the right ones. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Brandon, we might actually have a chance here.
It's the best news I've heard all day.
Also remember, put the chain on when you're doing this first. It makes it a lot easier in the long run. So, with that, that'll be good. How is this supposed to... Okay, so it has to... Come on. There it is. That's better. Yeah, that feels more like it. So tiny.
First try.
First try.
Yeah. We'll just cut out the other ones.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's honesty. That's integrity in YouTubing. Got it. Yeah, the chain is way too long. Because this it's completely different from the last one. Well, didn't take that into effect, but we do have... We just need to take a few links out. Let me go grab a puller.
I was wondering if it was in the garage, but...
I remember because we did stuff with it.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay, cut.
And cut. Thinking how we're gonna do this. It may actually work a little bit easier with it just hanging like this, or at least getting it out. Yeah. Okay, yeah, the link's coming out. You know what's great about this, Brandon?
What's that?
This time when we get it out and it drops on the ground, there's not grass here. There's asphalt, so we can actually see it.
Yes. I remember that.
Yeah. And there we go. Ta-da. Getting it back in is going to be the fun part. So, what should have been a 5-minute job took us 2 hours, 3 hours, because we didn't know what we were doing. Always look up what you're doing. I didn't know about the concept of master links. So let me explain it to you. These, $3 at Tractor Supply. All right. Basically, they make shortening a chain way easier. You just take out some links, however many you want, and then pop that little mother in. And then you've got some spare washers and a clip, and it pushes right in instead of trying to push the original pin back in. I don't know how we did it the first time either, because the first time I shortened this chain, we pushed the original pin back in, and it took us just that long, and I was frustrated. So we have extra links now. Now onto the front side. Come on. In there. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm going to be very surprised if this works the first time out. I pray that this is right. This one just fits a little bit differently than that first one. And I think we got it. I think we got it. This just so happened to be the correct socket, by the way. All right, let's get the engine strapped to this and let's take it for a test drive. All right, so not only is this going to be a test of if the torque converter works, but if it starts up and fires. This thing has not been started since, I don't know, how long, Brandon? When was the last time you guys?
6 months?
Yeah,
5, 4, 3,
March,
3,
I think
4.
You guys were here?
4, I think.
Yeah,
Something like that.
into March they were here. And it's just been sitting in the garage. So we'll see how well alcohol stores. All right, let's go. Spray it a little more directly. Yeah. Like that. Cool. All right. Yeah, that's good. Go on ahead and let her rip. You good?
It doesn't sound like painful moans, it just sounds like I'm being dramatic moans.
Yes. You had to break down out here, huh? No.
Yeah, right. The nuts on the gas tank came off.
sounds like a chain.
Master link went.
Oh my god.
We might want to consider turning that around.
Oh, is it the wrong way?
Huh?
Was it the wrong way?
Yeah, it might have been. So, while putting this back together for another run, we realized that there is so much torque coming out of this thing that we bent the chain. It looks okay from here. Let's come around here. You'll notice, if you can get down even lower, it doesn't sit on the ground. It's torqued. It's twisted. We twisted a 420 chain. So we're gonna call it here for the episode. We'll get a new chain in so we can start running things, and we'll do a whole thing on aligning the engine up so we don't do this again. But I know that one of the big things was in the end of the Go Kart episode last, you really didn't get to hear it run too well, so we're gonna go ahead and crank it up. More than a couple of things to do, but we'll get it done. We'll catch you guys later.
Hit it.